Hey y'all, and welcome. I'm here with some new hood struts slash shocks. This is a Jaguar XJ here. And I'm also going to be working on the Dodge Ram back there. Its shocks are in need of being swapped out too. So here's the old shock, and there's some clips on either end, and a screwdriver like this will get in behind the clips and let you pop each end off. And there's another clip up here. That was easy. That one works okay. And then it goes like this, and I think you can just press them on just like that. So this side, the Dodge is a bit different, where the connectors are facing the same direction. This one's facing the opposite. You have to push the hood up a little bit. Pop that end in. Perfect. Alrighty, next side. This looks like the part number for the Jaguar XJ. Likely fits the 04 through 09. And then same process over here. There we go. One up here. Perfect. Okay, on. Perfect. That may have been one of the easiest jobs I've ever done. Let's see how the Ram is. All right. Before we call it done, we ought to test them. Oh, wow. They are strong. All right, let's open her back up, see how it opens. Wow. All right, what an upgrade. Okay, we're over here with the Ram, and these are going to be a little more interesting. So they're in a compacted state. They're held together with this metal bracket and these zip ties. It says point this in a safe direction before you start cutting zip ties. We're just going to do one at a time. Here. Go. This is a really dull knife, by the way. And then remove the bracket, and now you have a super long, probably 19 inches or so. Real long one, and this end goes up here. Snaps in. And then we're gonna actually have to extend the hood. I don't know if it'll go much further. There we go. Let's take the fence post off. Perfect. These are pretty premium. Let me show you the package if you have a Dodge Ram. Vepagoo. All right, because we're doing so well, we're going to show the disassembly of the Ram shocks too. You can even take these all the way out if you're for sure not reusing it. There is a way to get them back in. You kind of have to put them on the very end and then press them in. Okay, this one's a little bit stubborn. Whoa there. All right, so this one must have still had some power left in it. We are gonna have to grab our fence post. So let's see if we can find the smaller the flathead, the better. Here we go. These are the original Chrysler ones. So this is a 2009, so they've been on here a good number of years. Just press them on. Let's push. Perfect. Let's take the fence post off. Perfect. And we'll do a test, of course. All right, let's test the shocks out, see how good they are. Oh my. Almost got to really force it down. They're pretty dang strong. Oh my. Yeah, what an upgrade. So there you have it. Those are nice, both vehicles. Very nice. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time.